Eureka! For today, I'm taking you inside a store that feels like a treasure chest for teachers like us. Here in Flying Tiger. If you love finding unique, budget-friendly, and creative classroom tools, this place is a gold mine. Come on, I'm going to tour you around here. There are so many cute items here that we can really use for rewarding our students, and they will really like it. There are some squishy toys, stress ball, and so many more toys, puzzles, blocks, and even some coin banks, watercolor. I have this one, I bought it. And then this watercolors that has a lot of options to choose from. And then this sticker book is, I think, ideal if you really want the students to collect some stickers and even do some activities that they can learn and that can help them to recognize the different colors. So these are some more of their items, including art and craft materials, especially if you're an art teacher. You can buy affordable items here, beads, and some more coloring materials, markers. And I like this pen because it has a unique design and very affordable also. Some cute erasers, colorful markers, tapes, and oh, this is a very nice kit. Eyeglasses frame, calculator, and this mini portable LCD projector. Cell phone casing, cables and wires, plus some costume for the parties and decorations. And there are different designs for notebooks, planners, and this washi tape I think is really ideal for teachers because it has a caption that we can use to put in our planner. This weekly whiteboard planner that is erasable. So yeah, you can see here. And this giant pencil. There are so many cute items here. Imagine how many times I said the word cute because it's really true. Plus this greeting cards that have unique design, gift wrapper, and some more notebooks, memo pads, sticky notes. If you also are looking for a planner, you can find here a lot. Weekly planner, yearly planner, daily planner. What else are you looking for? Maybe it's here. Oh, this is a cute keychain for best friend. And some more cute. So many cute items. You know, as teachers, we're always looking for ways to make learning more engaging, and we also want to provide nice rewards for our students. And I think Flying Tiger definitely delivers. Let me know in the comment section what's your favorite teacher find from a random store like this. See you in my next vlog, and happy teaching! Eureka! Paalam!